Good evening all. Today I show how to replace this battery with this new one. So I just open it and take this battery out. Then I am showing that the voltage of the new one battery which I going to replace this one, and this is the negative side and this is the positive side. Turn into the DC and the voltage is showing 3.12, and another one, this is a negative side, this side is negative, and I touch with the negative port and this is also showing 3 point something voltage. So I make a series connection first. So this is a positive and this is a negative, so I going to solder and join this port. Now I joined this positive and negative. I am going to make a series connection. This is negative side and this is positive side. I am going to join. Now I measure the voltage. This is negative. Near about 7.23. Okay. Then I take the positive out from this battery. As negative, I open positive and negative both. Then I am going to join positive and negative. This side is positive, and this side is negative. I directly connected with the solder. Now I turn the set on. Now the set is ready. So in that way I replace the old battery with a new one. Thank you. And if